You hear about those Spartans that robbed the Waffle House?
What?
You hear about the Spartans that robbed the Waffle House, like kidnapped a girl? The girl, like ZZ team.
What team?
ZZ team. It's like their leader, his name's Agent Kansas, and he got put there on punishment. And ever since then, it's just been
a dick.
Yeah, it's just been a crock of shit ever since.
Damn.
Kind of like us.
What did you say?
It's kind of like us. Fireteam washing machine. We're retarded as hell. We don't do shit.
Right.
Dude, I eat biofoam on weekends.
Can I try that?
No, it'll melt your stomach. Yeah.
Why are you guys looking at me? Is there, like, something on my face? What's going on?
Yeah, just your face. Just your face.
Okay.
Cut.